Buongiorno e ciao a tutti. I'm Aaron, your instructor here at 99 Problemi. This video is the second in a series about pronunciation difficulties in Italian. Where Italian is a highly phonetic language, sometimes difficulties in pronunciation crop up. And this particular video is on the difficulties that arise from the letter combinations G and GH. I'll be starting with G, going with vowels A, O, and U, followed by the letter combinations of GI, GE, GHI, and GHE. So let's go to the video. G with A, O, and U. These are not particularly difficult sounds, but people tend to overcorrect them after being introduced to the challenging sounds. They are pronounced as follows. Ga, garda. Ga, garda. Go, singolare, singolare. Gu, gusto, gu, gusto. J, G, Gi, and Ge. The J is pronounced a lot like the English J. J. G is pronounced like the English G, like in Jeep. G. And as with the letter C, the presence of the H between the G and I and the GE produces a sound that hardens the G, so that they are pronounced Gi and Ge, respectively. Gi and Ge. Let's try practicing some of this with the dettato. Try to write the words as I say them. Starting with giro. Giro. And laghi. Laghi. Did you get giro and laghi? Let's try a few more groups. This one will be familiar. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Giovanni. Giovanni. Generale. Generale. Giovanni. Generale. Let's try a few more. Giusto. Giusto. Giochiamo. Giochiamo. Giallo. Giallo. Giusto. Giochiamo. Giallo. Here are 10 more exercises. Continue to write out the words that you hear and then continue with the video and check your answers. The first one, gelato. Gelato. Followed by gita. Gita. Next, maghi. Maghi. Laghi. Laghi. Funghi. Funghi. Respighi. Respighi. Giotto. Giotto. Giornale. Giornale. This one's slightly different. Bugia. Bugia doesn't follow the exact rule here, but bugia. See if you can get it. And finally, gesti. Gesti. Here are the answers. Gelato, gita, maghi, laghi, funghi, Respighi, who's an Italian composer. Giotto, capitalized because it's an Italian painter. Giornale, bugia. You would think it would be bugia, but this is another pronunciation difficulty. However, it is pronounced bugia. It means lie. Gesti. Gesti. Va bene. This concludes the lesson on difficult sounds, G and GH. Hopefully that cleared up some difficulties. Keep practicing, and if you'd like to get notifications about videos as they are released, be sure to subscribe to 99 Problemi. Grazie.